future developers, welcome to another tutorial at ABCD. Today we'll be learning to use the figure and then the figure captions. So there is going to give other ways formatted our image and then the text was. So it's another way. Figure and then figure captions are other elements, HTML elements that are used to format our images and then text. That said, I'm going to create a new file. You could still do it in the file that you have now. I'm doing mine in a new file, and then in that file I'm going to give it a name called images. So as I said, you can still work in the same file that you already have. So image figure, and I'm going to make it HTML, so I'll save it. So I have my file, my HTML file or document. And then I'm going to just type I'm going to type HTML. Okay, so it fetches me the entire, so I'll choose HTML:5, so I get the document structure. Okay, so I'm going to name this image figure exercise. Okay, image figure exercise. Okay, so that's said, or that worked out. Let's start our figure. Okay, so I'm going to type the less than sign, and then let me just type, okay, let me ignore the H1, and then less than sign, then image space src equals, and I'm going to give the name of the folder and the name of the image to use for the web page or our exercise. So I'm going to change the width and the height. Okay, so let's give it a width of 1080 and a height of 6. Let me see. Let's look in the document and see the image size. Sorry. Okay, so depending on what image you just mouse over, and then let's see if we give it the same image size. Let's see. So 627 for my height. And I'm going to have to close it, but let me type a header for it. Let me use a header. Okay, so first, let me put it in the figure tag. Okay, so an opening and closing tag for the figure. Then I'm going to copy the figure closing tag and then paste it here. I need to close this, but first let me just copy this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this image. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. Okay. So I can close it / and then the greater than sign. Okay, then I copy and paste it again. Close it. Okay, so I'm going to double click and let's see it in our browser. Okay, so because of the figure, you can see the kind of formatting it has given it. Okay, so it has given it some kind of formatting padding in the space. Okay. So now let's do that of the fig caption. Okay, so our fig caption, we'll see how that is also formatted. Okay, so fig caption, fig caption, and I'm going to type any name. Okay, so just a caption to the image. Okay, and then I'm going to have to, so heroes by students, I'm going to have to copy, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, paste it just right under this. Okay, now do the same for this one too. Okay, so Ctrl+S to save, or since it's auto save, I'm going to refresh it and let's see what happens. Okay, so we can see how it's also formatted the text just right under the image. It's captioned it, and the formatting is very nice. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Any other interesting thing? Let's try working on the width and then the height. Okay, so I'm giving it 200 or 300 pixels for the width, and then 300. Okay, so 300. So let's do it for all the images. So 300, 300. Okay, then I'm going to look up that in the browser. Okay, so thank you. See how figure caption and figure works. Thank you.